Manage Engine Review, bested tool or overcomplicated? Manage Engine promises to streamline its operations, but is it really the best tool for your business or just an overcomplicated system? Let's break it down. Manage Engine offers a suite of management solutions including network monitoring, help desk ticketing, endpoint management, and security reporting. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just for large enterprises, but small to mid-sized businesses can also leverage its modules effectively. You won't believe what happens next. It integrates multiple functions into a single dashboard, meaning you can monitor networks, patch systems, and track assets without switching between apps. The platform supports automation. Tasks like software deployment, patch management, and workflow routing can be set to run automatically. This not only saves time, but also reduces human error, which is critical in its management. Reporting is robust, with customizable dashboards and real-time analytics that help teams spot performance issues before they become critical. Pricing is modular, meaning you pay for the tools you use. While this can get expensive if you use multiple modules, it also allows businesses to start small and scale gradually. The learning curve is steep for new users, which is why some teams find it initially overwhelming. So, is Manage Engine worth it? If you have a complex environment and need centralized control with automation, it's a powerful solution. For smaller setups with simpler needs, a lighter tool may be more efficient. The surprising truth is that Manage Engine isn't overcomplicated. It's highly capable, but success depends on knowing which modules you truly need and committing to proper training.